What's going on, my long-winged bald ducks? Today we are getting out on my brand new paddle board. We're gonna set it up, we're gonna get out there, and if everything works as planned and we catch one fish, I'm gonna count that as a massive success. If this is your first time checking into the channel, I'm Twig, you're watching Twigging Around. Thanks for tuning in, sit back, relax, have a good time. One thing left to do, without further ado, nature is wild, so let's go hang out with it. Since we got a lot going on here today, we need to start this off right. There's a whole lot of thinking that I'm gonna have to do here in the next 20 minutes setting this rig up. You know what time it is. Cheers, let's have a good day. Oh, I had to slow roll that one. That was a lot of carbonation. I think it was bouncing a lot on the way down here. All right, I'm gonna quickly set up this paddleboard. Nothing exciting here to see, but getting all the stuff on there is gonna be quite interesting. The seat is secured, and then the ratchet strap. Don't need it like crazy tight. That's probably too tight. Boom, now we have our front storage. Oh, that's gonna look beautiful right there. Right here, we're gonna have our depth finder, and then here we're mounting the transducer on the side, and this slides up and down. It's a portable depth finder I used for my tin boat. Screws out of here. Ring, ting, 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 ting. Dude, I think this is gonna work. This is gonna be a sick setup. It's the first draft, but it's gonna be a good setup.
You gotta start somewhere.
Yeah, can't start at the top. So I'm just gonna put a screw in right here. Hell yeah, hell yeah. And then we'll put this, I think just a simple 2-screw right here. Good thing I brought this extension piece going right down the middle. Dude, that one will hold it. I mean, I don't like just putting one screw in ever, but. Okay, what's next? I would say this. All right, so this needs to go.
Is this the transducer?
Yeah, this needs to go like that, and that needs to point straight backwards. If you just clamp this on here, we're Gucci. The battery needs to be hooked up. You wanna do the battery first, and then plug it into everything. So with this, it's just a simple battery. Then I got alligator clips. Super easy. Bada boom, bada bango. Jam the rest of the cordage in here. Oh, there we are. And then we have a little fuse right here. This thing has done very well in the years. Jam this in here. Plug this into the back. Tinkering. Master tinkerer. Little tip and trick. If you pry the tongue of the zip tie over, you can actually save the zip tie. Get right in there. Can you pull on this part? Pull her on out. There we go. We saved the zip tie. Run it through here. Oh yeah. Boom, run it up through there. And you plug this into the back of this, and then just jam the rest of the cordage underneath. Oh, this is gonna be good. Little seating right there. Got the depth finder right there. Should we see if it turns on? Oh baby, it's turning on. I think we can get in the water.
Ready?
Sure, I'm ready. This little guy right here. The goal of today is to definitely not flip this thing. Put this guy up front so I can record myself. There we are. Oh baby, it's coming together. Water. Put the phone in there. Put the hat in there for right now. Trying out the camera stand for the first time. It's looking pretty good. I think we're set, and we're gonna have a damn good time today. See you later, girl.
Mwah.
Or at least I'll give them hell, or I'll give myself hell. I might go through hell today.
Someone's getting hell.
Oh yeah. All right, let's see if I can not flip it. 99% of people flip at the boat launch. Oh yeah, baby. Seat's good. It's not too tippy. I'm not very balanced on this thing yet. Man, I do not trust myself on this at all. My confidence level is about a 6 out of 10 right now. It'll get to 8. Okay, let's get this thing in the water. Oh. I'm ready to flick a lure in the water. I'm at 15 feet right now, and I can see the bottom. I could read a book off the bottom right now, it's so clear. 18 feet, 19. Should be a drop off to like over 50 feet really soon. I really have no idea what I'm doing here today. Here it is, the massive drop off. It just went from 50 to straight down. Now we're at 73. Thing looks, I'll show you guys. Straight drop off here if you can see it. Boom! I think I want to ride that ledge right there all the way across. Try to find groups of fish, and then I'll throw this little guy down. See if we catch something. It looks really clear. This water is super clear. Right now we're in 113 feet. I just have no business being out this deep. I have a 1/4 ounce jig head with a worm on with ultralight tackle. I just wanted to see what was out here. We're gonna go back in. I snorkel over here a bunch, and I know there's groupings of fish that hold up on these rocks. Maybe we'll go over there and just see if we can pop a couple fish on the line. One thing I do know is that my speed is around 2 miles an hour, I'd say on average. I get up to like 2.5 while paddling. It's 76 degrees in the water right now, so perfect to jump in, but I don't think we'll be jumping in right now. Got a lot of gear at risk. I do have the spear gun, so worst comes to worst, we just hop in the water and spearfish a little bit. Oh buddy, there's fish right below me, right below me. Boom, I'm dropping right here, jig. Down. Oh, baby, let's go. Come on. Oh, I heard something jump right around me. Pop, 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 pop. I feel like I'm jigging for walleye right now. Oh, I feel something. I feel something down there. Oh, I feel something tugging. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I might set the hook here real quick. No, no. Fish right below us. Come on. Just dragging it across the bottom right now, I think. Oh, that's a hit, I'm pretty sure. Unless that's bottom. That's not bottom. That was a little hit. Getting little specks. I think this is all like bait fish. They're looking pretty small. Anything is something right now though. Oh, dude! Something took my plastic. Something took the end of my plastic. I was getting hits. Dang it, that's all I fucking have. Oh no. No. I should have brought a lot more plastics out here. Oh, I do have a lure. I got a lure. So we weren't wrong. That was a fish. That was a fish for sure. Don't know if this is gonna be big enough. Oh dude, I got fish jumping around me. I got this little rattler. He glows too in the dark. We're gonna throw him on. Fish below me, I'm fucking around. Typical in the fishing world. Fucking around when you got fish below you. This guy's nice because I can jig him and I can cast him. Both works on him. I hope we pick up something big, bigger than we can handle, but it doesn't get bit off. That'd be nice. Just to emphasize, I'm using, usually on this setup, this is a freshwater reel, which I wouldn't recommend taking in the ocean, but it's all I have. I usually run 8-pound braided and then a 6-pound mono leader, and that's what's running on here right now. Right back into the action. There's some shit right below me. Might just give this a couple casts. One thing I do have to be very careful of are these mobula rays. They're way too big, they're way too strong for what I have on, and they're very aggressive for eating. I'm starting to see fish in about 30 feet of water. And I'd guess from catching walleye and stuff off of this, that's about a, I don't know, 18 to 20 inch fish down there. I have a feeling if I get a fish, this is gonna be pretty intense. I'm on a rocky paddleboard with light tackle. All right, I'm gonna throw this lure out and just troll it. You gotta have a line in the water to catch a fish, so. Hey Siri, stop music. Oh, I got a fish, but oh, it's a puffer. What the heck? Oh man, I ain't never caught a puffer before. What do I do? Man, out of like basically all the fish I want to catch, this is the one I do not want to catch. He's barely hooked though. Look at that. It's a puffer fish. He's going He's fully puffed up. Let's see. There we go. Adios, buddy. Hey, we didn't get skunked today. That was pretty good for the first time out. I'll take it. There you go.
I just got back to the house. Do you want me to head down back to Popular? Oh, okay. Cool. I'll drive there. See you in a bit. Bye.
Bye. Well, we caught a puffer fish. Cheers, take a little pull. Just got back to the casa. Overall, I'd say that was a pretty big success. We got everything on the paddle board. We got out there. Things were working correctly, like the fish finder. I knew what was going on below me, threw some lines out, cast it a million times, but hey, I'm feeling pretty good about it. Be happy, be healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.